How to add multiple videos to Instagram story. If you're struggling to find out how to make collage or add multiple videos to your Instagram, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and find the app called CapCut. Now, tap on the option called New Project. Once you tap into it, it will take you to the gallery. Now tap on the videos that you want to add or edit and go and tap on Collage. As you can see, it is now formed in Collage. If you want to make into different format, you can also do that by tapping on the format option. Let your video be processed and edit if you want to edit any kinds of different things. Go and tap on the top right corner of your screen where the arrow is shown. Tap on it. After you do this, it will automatically be downloaded on your gallery. And now you're ready to share your video in Instagram. In this way, you can easily make and add multiple videos on your Instagram. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.